Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reconnect your mobile on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Duo Mobile and install the app if it's not already installed. Once installed, open Duo Mobile on your phone. Once you are in, tap use a QR code. Duo will ask how you want to add or reconnect your account. If you still have your old iPhone with Duo on it, choose transfer account from another device. Open Duo mobile app on your old iPhone. Once you are in, tap on three straight line at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. After that, tap on connect a new phone. A QR code will appear on your old phone. Go back to your new or current iPhone and scan the QR code. This will safely reconnect your Duo account. Wait a few seconds for the transfer to finish, and that's it. That's how to reconnect your mobile on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.